welcome back. In this video I will explain how can we use Karnaugh map to simplify a logic expression. So first of all, as you can see on your screen, I have this 4 input expression, boolean expression, which has 4 inputs and 1 output. And here over the top where you can see there is a function f written, here we have used SOPs to write this truth table. So these are basically the minterms. This a bar, b bar, c bar and d bar corresponds to this minterm, and all the minterms that are 1 have been written here in the form of SOPs. So in order to simplify it, we make a Karnaugh map. So here is the Karnaugh map. So Karnaugh map is basically a matrix in which there are rows and columns. So here you can see we have CD. We place 2 inputs in the column form and 2 in the row form. We have here AB. So this basically corresponds to A0 and B0, and this one to A0 and B1. So in this way, this column is AB and this row is CD. So this one belongs to 0 0 0 0. So in this way we put all the minterms in this K map, and then to simplify it we basically use make rectangles. So basically we make groups using these rectangles. So they can only be in the form of 1 2 4 or 8 or anything in the power of 2, but not 3. So here we have made we have wrote all the minterms, and then we have made the combinations. Here we have made the combination of these two ones, which is written over here, which is a bar, b bar, c bar. So because a bar, b bar is common in both these, and c bar is also common in both these, so we have written a bar, b bar and c bar. And then this one, this one, this one and this one, these 4 ones are basically separately because they have no other one with them, so they are treated separately. And here these are the 4 ones that are separately written, and here there is another combination of 2 ones which basically forms a rectangle. So in this so this corresponds to this one in tree. So basically we cannot make a rectangle in diagonal form. We can only make it from left to right, from top to bottom, and we can make it from here to this one. But here we have 0 and here we have 1, so we cannot make a combination over here. So we have wrote all these equations using these rectangles, and which is common, which is basically we write only that thing in our function in the form of SOPs, which is common. Here we have common a bar, b bar and c bar in both these ones, and here we have only one, so this is common in only 0 1 0 1. So this is the equation that we obtained after using K map, and as you can see this equation has 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms, and our previous equation had basically 8 terms. So in this way we have minimized our Boolean expression using a K map, and also it also has reduced the number of gates that we use. So to implement it on Proteus, here you can see this is the canonical form that was previously written over here. This is the canonical form for this. Proteus implementation is over here, and then I combined this is the standard form after simplification. So by making both the circuits on Proteus, I verified its output, which should come same for both of them. So as you can see, for 0 0 0 0 we have both canonical form and standard form equal to 1, which we can verify from our truth table. For all these input 0 we have 1. For 0 0 0 1 our output should also be 1. As you can see, our output is 1 for both of them. And then if we want to check for 0 1 0 0, the output should be 0. For 0 1 0 0, the output is 0 for both of them. Here we can see both of canonical form and standard form are giving the same answer, so both of the equations basically have the same output, but the lower one is basically simplified. As you can see, we have used 4 5 6 AND gates and 3 OR gates, and here we have used 8 AND gates and 3 OR gates. So basically for AND gates I have used 4082 IC, which is basically a 4 input AND gate, and for OR gate I have used 4072, which is basically a 4 input OR gate. And here I have used 7432 for a 2 input OR gate. To show the output I have used an LED with a resistor, and for the inputs I have used 4 buttons which are attached to the DC supply of 5 volt, and these are the NOT gates for the complement of each input. So this is basically on the top, this is our canonical form, and at the bottom we have the standard form. Both these forms are giving us the same output, so our both functions are correct. So now to implement it on Verilog, first we have to write the code for it. For the canonical form, this is the code where I have written as 4 inputs and 1 output F, and these are all the wires. For the input G, I have assigned it the AND of A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. 4 of them are basically AND. So basically it evaluates to A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, and then I have assigned another A bar, B, C and D bar. So basically these are all the min terms that I have assigned to these wires, and then what I have done is basically, no, this is not the min term, this is basically the AND gate. This is the outputs of AND gate that I used before in this Proteus circuit. The output basically of this AND gate, for example, is basically assigned to the first wire G. So basically this is the AND gate, which is basically ANDs the 4 inputs. These are basically the 4 input AND gates, all of them. And then for the output, I have basically using the OR operation, using the OR logical operator, I have used all these wires and then OR operators in between them and assigned the output to my function F. As you can see here, this is our circuit that we obtained from the Verilog code, and to verify it we have this waveform, output waveform, and here as you can see for all of them 0, our output was 1. So when we go further, you can verify it from the truth table. So for the standard form, that was the simplified form, we have to use less AND gates. Here you can see the number of AND gates is basically less, and then the function using the OR gates we have made the function, and then the circuit you can see is also very much simplified and easier than the previous one, and the output waveform is again the same. So in this way we can minimize a Boolean expression unit using K-maps.